Project Management, Software Configuration Management and Project Scheduling, presented by Anuja or APCSE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Software Project Management. It is a proper way of planning and leading software project. It has a part of project management in which software projects are planned, implemented, monitored and controlled. Types of software project management. It is a process to restrict the negative feature of conflict while increasing the positive feature of conflicts. Risk management. It is the analysis of identification of risk that is followed by synchronized and economical implementation of resources to minimize, operate and control the possibility of events. Requirement management is the process of analyzing, prioritizing, tracking and documenting requirement and then supervising change and communicating to pertinent stakeholders. Change management is dealing with the transition of transformation of an organization goals and process or technologies. Software configuration management is the process of controlling and tracking changes in the software. Release management is the task of planning, controlling and scheduling the built-in deploying in the releases. Aspects of software project management, that is planning, execution, monitoring and control. Planning is nothing but it is a complete project blueprint. The project plan will outline the scope, resources, timeline, techniques, strategy, communication, testing and maintenance steps. Leading. It is a software project manager brings together and lead a team of engineers, strategists, programmers, designers and data scientists. Then execution, it is risk here also, as the person in change of software project will ensure that each stage of the project is completed successfully. The time management, it is a crucial to completing deliverables successfully. This is especially difficult when managing software project because changes to the original project characters are unavoidable over time. Budget. The conventional project managers are responsible for gathering a project budget and adhering to it as closely as feasible, regulating spending and realizing funds as needed. Then maintenance. Maintenance emphasizes the continuous product testing to find, repair default, early tailors and end product to the need of the client and keep the project on track. Software configuration management. The product undergoes many changes in their maintenance phase. We need to handle these changes effectively. The several individuals work together to achieve these common goals. This individual produces several work product, that is intermediate version of modules or test data used during debugging parts of the final product. The elements that comprise all information producers as a part of the software process are collectively called a software configuration. The development progress, the number of software configuration elements grow rapidly. Then following software configuration disciplines are identifying changes, monitor and control change, ensure the proper implementation of change made to them and auditing the reporting on the change made. Then various tasks used in software configurations are identification of object in the software configuration, version control, change control, configuration audit and status reporting. So these are the overall architecture of software configuration management process. The next one is project scheduling. A project scheduling is a timetable that organizes tasks, resources and due date in an ideal sequence so that a project can be completed on time. A project schedule is created during the planning phase and includes the following: a project timeline with start dates, end date and milestone. So these are the overall architecture of project scheduling, that is identifying the activities, identify possible dependencies, estimate resources, assign people to conduct activities and create activity network and bar chart. Then process. The manager need to estimate time and resources of project while scheduling the project. Activity in project must be arranged in a coherent sequence. That means activities should be arranged in a logical and well organized manner for easy to understand. Problem arise during project development. The people may leave or remain absent during particular stage of development. The second one is hardware may get failed while performing. Third one, software resources that is required may not be available at present. Resources required for development project: human effect, sufficient disk space on server, specialized hardware, software technology, travel allowance required by the project staff and staffs. Then advantages: it is simple, ensure that everyone remain on same page as far as tasks get completed. It help in identify issuing early and concerns such as lack or unavailability of resources. It is also help to identify relationship and to monitor process. It provide effective budget management and risk mitigations. Thank you.